Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, Amrutha Academy. So today is going to be a science class. So in the science class, we're going to know about volumetric analysis and the apparatus we use in the volumetric analysis, and we're going to experiment things. I know you all are excited. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first let us know about the various apparatus used in this volumetric analysis. So first let's start with this beaker. So this is a 250 ml beaker. So here we have the values. So until here is 200 and above it is 250 ml. Generally we use to measure the volume of the solution in this beaker, and for the titration we use this conical flask. This is also a 250 ml conical flask, and here are the measurements written. Moving on, we have volumetric flask. For accuracy, for the exact volume of the solution, we use this volumetric flask. This is a 100 ml volumetric flask, and here we have a line which indicates the 100 ml, and if the volume of the solution touches this line, then it's a 100 ml volume. So for a solution which has color, the upper meniscus should touch this line, and a colorless solution, the lower meniscus should touch this line. And next we have a reagent bottle. We store solutions in it for reagent solutions, and this is a 250 ml reagent bottle. And we have two funnels over here. These two are the funnels for in the volumetric analysis. And moving on to two main equipments in apparatus in the volumetric analysis. This is a pipette and this is a burette. So pipette is used to for the cork section in the volumetric analysis. Here is a cork section, and this is a 50 ml pipette. Generally we measure bases in it to avoid any kind of inhalation into our mouth, as there's a cork section over here. And this is a burette, and generally acids are measured in it, and here is the values written. pH is a measure of how acidic or basic a solution is. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. The range goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. So now moving on into the experiment, we have our pH paper over here. As I said before, if the pH value is from 1 to 7, it is an acid, and if it is 7, it is neutral, and generally our drinking water, the pH value is 7. And if the pH value is from 7 to 14, then it is a base. So first I have collected the rainwater shown in the before clip, and here I have my tap water. So now let's test the pH value of the tap water first. So we got its color. So now let's see if it is an acid or base. So you can see its color. It's from 8 to 9. So it's a base. Let's keep it aside, and now let's test the rainwater. Let's see. So its color is 7. So the pH value of the soft water, the rainwater, is 7. So we have another method to see if the solution is an acid or a base. So we have blue litmus and red litmus. So usually an acid turns blue litmus into red and a base turns red litmus into blue. So let's test. Here we have our blue litmus. We are dipping it into an acid. Let's place it and let's check it once. And now red litmus will dip into the base. Yes. So this red litmus turned blue, which means this is a strong base, and this blue litmus turned red, so which means this acid is a strong acid. This solution is a strong acid. So moving on to the next experiment, we are going to test the hardness of the tap water using acid-base titration. So step 1 is to transfer this acid into the burette using a funnel for the accuracy. So now step 2 is to transfer this hard water into this measuring cylinder. So we exactly take 10 ml of this water and transfer it into this conical flask. So now we use this methyl orange indicator used in the acid-base titration. We add only 2 drops. Yes. So generally this methyl orange indicator turns any basic solution into pale yellow color. So now we got the pale yellow color. Now we are going to titrate it against the acid we have taken in the burette. So now the solution turns pink. So now we see that the burette consumed 10 ml. So using this we calculate the hardness of the water. So today we learned the basics of the volumetric analysis. Hope you all enjoyed and found this video informative. If you did, like, share, subscribe to Amrutha Academy, and don't forget to click that bell icon to never miss an update from Amrutha Academy. So see you guys in the next episode. Until then, this is Amrutha signing off. Bye.